If you're struggling to understand bias and want to learn live from someone who does and gain my knowledge and expertise, don't click off this video because I'm going to show you a live trade recording that I took with my private mentorship, which netted me a little over $3,000 in a couple minutes across $500,000 in prop funding. I'm not only going to show you the live trade, but also across the video, I will be giving a lot of gems when it comes to why I took the trade that I took, why I took profit where I took it, and how I determine bias on a day-by-day basis, as well as follow me on Instagram at Arkhamtrades for more free education like my ebook and free training. Thank you. News will definitely give a spike on gold. I think that spike will maybe be a spike higher. If we can get that spike higher for sure, I definitely want to take shorts on gold by reaching back lower prices, because I definitely know gold reacts off of the economic news the most, so I can't chase it down here, man. You can't chase it down here because you're expecting volatility. And I do much prefer gold just because we've already gotten that confirmation that we've created like this high here on gold, and I know we have news in the next 9 minutes, plus we got like this 15-minute fair value gap here. So I do much prefer gold rather than Dow Jones at the moment. I really need a good retracement here though. Yeah, we've already kind of gotten that confirmation that we're seeking lower prices here on gold for sure. You look on daily, yeah, for sure. So at least we got this 15-minute fair value gap here. Yeah, I definitely want to see how we open up here coming into the news the next 8 minutes. If we can open up, see a push higher, for sure that'd be a really good sell opportunity. We could probably even scale into the trade idea too. So it'd be even better if we didn't take out that low, because then that'd be engineered liquidity, right? Where it comes near to take out that low but doesn't take it out. They'll probably take it out though, just because we're so close to it. Okay, gold is seeing a big retracement. See if we can get back up into the 50% here. Take a short on gold. All right, we just got tagged in. We just got tagged in some gold shorts. Where do we put our stop? Like 5 points. So we're short here. Stop back up here. I think we could reach even lower. I definitely could hold this as a day trade. I know we might at least want to reach down into these last down close candles. I know we're going to take out the previous daily lows eventually. I don't want to be susceptible to engineered liquidity, so I might just take it out for 12 points. 2, 3, 3, 9. Stop loss just back above the order block here. Let me see how this plays out. We're still anticipating it to go lower. Right, we were talking about lower prices this morning here on gold. See how this plays out. So far, looking pretty solid, pretty okay. We're already up about a 1 to 2. I'm not 1 to 2, 1 to 1. So let's see if we can see this continue here. I definitely want to hold a lot longer just because I know that we're going to take out the prior daily lows, but I definitely want to be looking to scalp today. Just looking to scalp, you know, just in and out today. So I feel like the hold below the prior daily lows could be like a day trade. Probably could be in the trade for a couple hours. Not trying to be in a trade for a couple hours today. I'm just trying to be in and out. It's definitely going to take out the prior daily lows. Not prior daily lows, but just these lows right here. which is already over a 2-to-1 R. I'm gonna go down to a 5-minute and see how I react after taking out those lows, and I'll probably just take it off and call it a day. We'll go down to 5-minute, and I want to see how to react after taking out this low. Let's see, I'm gonna put my buy limit right here. I can definitely get a lot more out of this trade. I don't know. I might be cutting myself short, not getting the maximum that I'd want out of this trade. But at the same time, I'm pretty much comfortable with what I got. I don't want to be greedy. So I'm comfortable with what I got. I'll just always show up tomorrow and make back whatever I missed out on. Now, if it runs down below those lows and I miss out on another couple thousand, then I'll just make that tomorrow. From high to low, there's about 13. That's fire. That's fire. That's okay. Let's see what it looks on 15. Yeah, 15 looks fire. I want to see how it reacts after taking out those lows, and I'll just take it off. Okay, we just took out those lows. So got the 1 minute. I want to see some strength behind this. When does 15-minute close? 15-minute close is in about 1 minute, so this candle or next candle, we'll just take it off here. Oh, strong push lower. See one more push lower. Thought I took it off, but I didn't. It's all right. All right, take it off here. I'm content with that because the next 15-minute candle is about to open up. I feel like the next 15-minute candle is probably gonna start off with a pullback. It's probably gonna start off with a steep pullback. So I'm gonna just take it off here at the lows below this low for over a 2-to-1 R. Coming into the trade breakdown here, we can obviously see here that this morning we failed to take out these previous daily highs. It is important to note that previous daily highs as well as previous daily lows are areas of liquidity that the marketplace likes to seek on a day-by-day basis. So this morning during the London session, we came near those previous daily highs, but ultimately failed to take it out, creating what's called this failure swing. Right after that failure swing, we got this breaker structure to the downside. Right, obviously this failure swing followed by that breaker structure to the downside is a low resistance liquidity run, meaning that we failed to come up here to take out these highs. Now we're potentially seeking opposing liquidity. So us failing to take out these previous daily highs followed by that breaker structure lower, we're now targeting these lows, these lows, these lows, and potentially down here into these fair value gap levels and even order block levels, and potentially down into these previous daily lows. So this morning we got this inducement, right? This is an inducement because we had this initial high and then we had this drop lower. Obviously this is building up liquidity inside the marketplace. We not only tap into this bearish fair value gap, but we also take out these induced traders as liquidity. So once we tap into this bearish fair value gap, plus we got that inducement, this is our overall confirmation to where we can anticipate lower prices. So obviously during 9:30, which is the equities open or the stock market open, we see this drop lower, right? We see this drop lower, breaking back below this bullish fair value gap, right? Obviously breaking below this bearish fair value gap, this then creates an inversion fair value gap. Right, we have this inversion fair value gap plus this bearish fair value gap here, which creates this balanced price range, right? As price comes back up into this balanced price range, we then took our short, we put our stop loss back above this bearish order block here, targeting back below into this bullish fair value gap and even down here into this order block level, right? Not necessarily the previous daily lows, even though it could have taken out the previous daily lows. Sometimes I'll take profits at order blocks or even fair value gaps above it, just in case price does engineer liquidity, which we talked about it, where price will come near the low, don't take it out, give a retracement, and then take out the low, right? This is called engineered liquidity, where essentially it fakes to take out that low to engineer traders before finally taking it out. So sometimes I'll take profits at the order block, which is exactly what we did in the live trading. If you guys want to trade live with me every single morning, if you guys want to learn from me, trade live with me, as well as further support me, if you guys got any value in this video, that's going to be the first link in the description. I'm Arkham. Be safe.